Guys, big shout out to Dr. Dan for sending us these links, these awesome deals, Black Friday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. All right, let's get to it, guys. This is the Black Friday savings exclusive. This is the first one's going to be a 15 amp corded 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw with the 70-degree miter capacity. So you got all the dual bevel and the slider. LED cut line indicator. This is get a stand for free, so you do get a stand with this one. This regular price is $4.99 down to $3.99. You save 20% off on this deal, but you go down here to the free gift with purchase. Select that. You're gonna add the miter saw stand. You're gonna add both to the cart, and let's see how much you get it for. All right, so the stand's gonna go down to $141.39, down from $219. 35% off on that one. And it is a wheeled miter saw stand, so keep that in mind. A little bit easier to roll around, and if you guys got a 12-inch, then that's gonna be a lot easier because those things weigh a ton. All right, so you got 15 amp corded 12-inch miter saw down to $257, guys. Killer deal on this one's down pretty much half price there. Well, actually 48% off. Definitely check it out. That's a really good deal. All right, so on to the next one. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. All right, so the next one down is the multi-position ladder, 375-pound. Load capacity, type IAA duty. You guys know these. They put them down on the Black Friday deals just about every year. It does say Black Friday savings there at the top. You guys do see. All right, here's the ladder. It's 375. Oh, I hate this website. Dang. All right, there it is. That is the ladder you're gonna get. Yeah, there. That is the ladder you're gonna get. That is the Warner. That's the best one. I know they do have the Gorilla one. This one's a little bit more pro model. This one it is really nice. I have heard nothing good things about it. However, these things are a little heavy, just to keep that in mind. But they do reach all the way to the top of your roof if you have a single story. All right, so this one is $149 down from $229. You got 35% off. This is a killer deal on this one. Yes, guys, it's not gonna be $89. It's not gonna be $99 like we saw 5 years ago. I'm the one that got it for around $100. Not this one exactly, but yeah, these were around $100 back in the day. You're not gonna see that anymore. So it is what it is. This is the new cheap, the new normal, the new hacks, or the new Black Friday deals. This is actually a pretty good deal, down from $229. If you guys go down here, you click on the 14-footer. Check this out. Even the 14-footer, guys, even more expensive than this one. So you guys know you guys are getting a killer deal on the other one. This one's even shorter and weaker, as you guys do see there. So killer deal on the 18-footer, definitely. And if you guys go down to the 22-footer, it's way more than that. $279. See, I'm telling you, that's a good deal. So guys, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.